previous video, I talked about the analogy of a huge pot of gumbo. That's what we need to create. First, be aware and watch out for noise. Noise is irrelevant information, superfluous details. Often, sources of information gloss over the detail and truly miss the meaning. A social cumulative error then develops, and it can be encapsulated in the internationally popular children's game known in the US as telephone, otherwise known as Chinese whispers and Russian scandal. You know, when you're a little kid, there's a bunch of you together, you sit down, one creates a phrase and they whisper it to the next person and again and again and again until you get to the end. That last kid, he blurts out what he heard and compare it with the first statement, and it's always different. How does this happen in reality? Well, a true master will share information and it propagates from one person to the next. And through this similar process, like the game telephone, it gets lost in translation. And eventually it gets to you. It's totally different than the original person's meaning. This is what we need to watch out for. So here is one lesson. The more layers between you and the source, the more noise added. Those who go directly to the source are rewarded. They save themselves time in getting the true meaning, while everybody else is trying to strip away all that doesn't count. In the next video, I'll talk about those details and going directly to the source.